Joe Biden, Joe Biden, George H. Bush, Gerald Ford, Lyndon B. Johnson, Richard Nixon, Harry S. Truman, Calvin Coolidge, Theodore Roosevelt, Chester A. Arthur, Andrew Johnson. More Andrew Johnson, 41 of 44. Which U.S. presidents do you wish were in charge right now? 2057 of 24, 43. The most influential people of all time, 14 of 45. Who would win in an ultimate presidential fist fight? Millard Fillmore, John Tyler, Martin and Buren, Thomas Jefferson, John Adams.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.